Hey guys, welcome to Math Snow. We have 4 minus 2 plus 3 times 1. Now, 4 minus 2 gives us 2. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. And 5 times 1 gives us 5. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first according to this rule. So 3 times 1 gives us 3. Now we have 4 minus 2 plus 3. As we know, subtraction and addition are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. Now 4 minus 2 gives us 2, and 2 plus 3 gives us 5. The same answer, but in a different way that it was through. Thank you for watching.